Oh no, you could drive smoother there. You did that on purpose. Look at the state of it. What was that? Janis is back and we're going to have some fun today because you drive a bit lumpy.
Yeah.
Lumpy and bumpy, fair to say? No.
Yeah, definitely.
In the nicest way possible, your driving's not smooth. What we're going to do on this lesson is we're going to play a very stupid game. Really stupid. I've got picnic cups.
Nice.
What we're going to do with the picnic cups is fill them up with water. This is a really good game that I've played a couple of times before. My mate Vicky introduced me to this game. If you want to watch that one, I'll link it at the end. We actually played it with tea. So let's fill up the cup. And what do you think that you could do differently to make your driving smoother right from the off?
Soft braking, yeah.
So the braking is mainly what makes your driving less than smooth. So when you're coming up to a situation, instead of thinking, I'm slowing down to a stop, what you do is normally go, I'm stopping.
Yeah.
So it's that, let's shift the mindset away from
Preempt.
when you're braking, you're not stopping. When you're braking, you're slowing. Let's have that right there in the middle. Where should we go to? Let's have a destination mission.
Oh, could go to Eltham.
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 What we're doing in Eltham? Drive-through.
Ooh.
We're going to Eltham to get drive-through,
Nice.
and I'll also need the toilet to dry off.
Sick.
Let's do it. So we're also checking blind spot, signal left. Nice. Nice and gently up on that clutch, really good. And then just smoothly apply that accelerator power so that we speed up gently. Ah, nice. Keep on the power, bit more power, bit more power. Really smooth. How are we going to traverse this speed bump and make it as smooth as possible? Nice. And then planning ahead a little bit more, we've got this section to deal with, and then we need to slow down to check right as we turn left. Well, there's the spill.
Does
Slow
that
down
count
to
as
check
a
right.
spill?
And if it's cool, we can carry on. So thinking a bit more ahead, if you know that there's a situation you're going to have to do something about, let's slow down earlier to get it done. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, we definitely need to drive a bit faster than this. Where are we going next?
Left, right?
I tell you what, if there's more than 75% of the water left, I'll get you McDonald's in the drive-through.
Ooh.
Thinking about gears and speed. That's it, smoothly clutch. Nice. See how smoothly you can make that gear change? Clutch up before back on the gas. That's how to make it as smooth as possible. Slowing down in advance in case you need to stop. Nice. Checking right to move right. Sweet. Back on the power. We can at least get to 25 on this road. What about the width restrictors?
Slow down for him.
Nice, yeah. What gear do we need?
Second.
Let's keep braking. Needs to be a lot slower. Under 10. Brake. That's fourth. Clutch down. Ah! Oh, we're turning left? Cool.
Yeah.
Aha. So planning just the next thing means that if there's two things close together, we miss the second thing.
Yeah.
Or we haven't got enough time to plan the second thing. And we're going to keep up with this guy. Yeah?
Yes.
Cool. Do you know what doesn't help this challenge?
What?
The car's stiff suspension means that the bumps are quite harsh, yeah. This is the worst car to do this challenge in. Well, yeah, my arm's getting tired.
You can
Make it smooth. Nice, we're doing a good 29 miles an hour. That's a good speed. So now we need to just think a little bit further ahead. See the car braking in the distance?
Yeah.
Is that going to happen to us soon? Is there a red light in the distance?
There is a
there
red
bus
light
stop?
in the distance.
So let's start slowing down now so we can do it a lot smoother than if we just did it at the last minute.
Or we keep going.
Nice, because the lights turn green. But we're going to also look out for buses and people at the bus stop. If someone's crossing, then we're in a good position to do something about it quickly. What's happening up ahead? Let's deal with it. Checking left to move left. Nice.
Even if that's just part of the road.
Yeah, because there could be a cyclist or a motorbike coming that we need to know about.
Okay.
Yes. What's happening next? Ooh. And let's start to deal with this roundabout. Where are we going next on the roundabout?
We are going the third exit, I believe.
Okay. What speed are we going to enter the roundabout? That's important because we can get to that speed smoothly. Oh, and the roundabout entry wants to be smooth as well.
Roundabout entry. Okay.
Are we going or stopping?
We will be stopping.
Oh!
So close.
Super smooth. Let's smooth out that gear change as well. Clutch up, then back on the gas. Nice. That's fantastic. Check left as well. Cool. Start planning ahead again. All the way down the road. What are we doing about those cyclists?
We're going to
the
stay
traffic
behind
lights?
them because there is a bit too much going on up ahead. It's a bit too narrow.
Janis.
We're going to have to go down to the bottom roundabout now, the big
That's okay.
one.
We can do that. Car pulling in, cyclists taking up all the road. We're going to need to overtake them because they're not driving fast enough, riding fast enough. But where can we do that, which is going to be smooth?
After the island / when the cars are...
Nice. Watching out for and anticipating this traffic light as well. If it turns red, we're ready for it.
Yeah.
Not braking too harshly. What about now? Could we overtake them now? Watch out for the motorbike. If we could do it before the island. Nah, maybe not.
Can we not?
No. I'll drop back. Check left. Yes. Maybe left it just a little bit too long. We would have... What? We would have clouted the car over the bump there. I think these traffic lights are going to give you an easy overtake now.
Nice.
Oh, maybe not. Ah!
Oh.
Janis! That wasn't smooth.
Sick of being
Ah, this is
smooth.
more... This was a
been
small puddle that's now turned into a minor lake.
It's been too smooth. Ooh.
Ah, the road's not very smooth, but we can
This is-
anticipate that and like maybe swerve the potholes.
Are there potholes?
Yeah, a couple of holes, like made it quite bumpy.
Can we?
We're going right at these lights.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is a pretty complicated junction. How do you feel about turning right on a traffic light controlled crossroads? So when we set off, they're going to set off at the same time.
Yeah.
And we need to pick a point in the middle of the junction because that bus and the car in front of it are going to come this way and they've got priority, right?
Yeah.
So a bit more right, lots more right, yes. And now we're looking at this light, it's turning red, so we can go because they're also turning red. Let's move.
Oh, we're on a bit.
Oh, let's stop now, we're stuck. So did you notice that light turned red? The traffic lights work in pairs normally.
Yeah.
So when our light turns red, their light goes red at the same time. That's your cue to move. And if we don't move, then you get stuck. This would be a problem if you were on a driving test. Now let's stop now. Stop. We'll wait for the next phase of traffic lights. What will happen next is boom. And then what will happen after that is the pedestrians get to go, and then we'll
wow.
we'll go green again.
Nice.
Yeah, we
nice
got a little
long
bit stuck.
way.
But this is why the driving lessons are just lessons. Ah! Bloody hell, that was close from the bus. Because we can make mistakes.
But this is a very hard junction to turn then.
Yeah?
Because that was very short
The
over time.
But yeah, this is why when your light turns red, you need to go. Because what happens next is traffic either comes from the left or right, or pedestrians start moving. So yes, that's like, your light's red, now let's go.
Okay.
When our light
4.
turns green, they'll go green at
3.
the same time. So we can't go because they need to have priority. So we'll just hang out maybe a little bit further forwards, but not too much more to the right because we'll be in the way of the oncoming vehicles. So straighten up the wheel. Straighten up. Great. Now it's turning red. after the white van, that's you going. Nice. Because they've gone red at the same time. Smooth. Don't forget we're playing this game because I've still got a cup of water. Does that make sense though?
Yes.
Yeah? Cool. Nice. And just slow down a bit more. Lift the clutch up smoothly. You smoothed it out the last minute.
See, as long as the water doesn't spill, you can't say anything.
And got a point. Oh, that was me. That was me. I nodded and spilled it. Bump.
Need revenge for that one.
You went too fast over that one for the game that we're playing. Let's try the next one, make it a bit smoother. Braking, braking, braking. And then off the brake to glide over it gently. Nice. Same for the down. Yes.
Nice.
The smoothest way to take a speed bump is not accelerating or braking. When you brake, your car does that and tips forward and you'll dig into the bump. When you accelerate, your car tips up like that, which makes the bump less than smooth as well. Yeah, the glidiest way is no acceleration or braking. If you were a chauffeur, you'd probably know that. Woo.
See, I feel like
This guy's overtaking us, but he hasn't got water danger. Yeah.
you also don't have water danger.
I'm trying
It's
to
just
hold
over,
it.
it's just over my lap.
The car has water danger. Look at the puddle. Bro, my car is swimming. The whole road is up. Oh!
Okay, that's a puddle now.
I don't think you could drive any smoother to get over this. Oh no, you could drive smoother there. You did that on purpose, 100%. Look at the state of it. Oh. I'll show you at the end. I'll get my phone out and do a quick iPhone video and show you. Wait till. Oh, Janis! That wasn't smooth. Oh, bro! What the hell are you doing? Now we're both extremely wet.
Beautiful.
Look how much water's left now.
That's still over 75%.
That's a lot of water gone on that last turn. How could we have made that smooth?
Maybe a first gear.
Yeah, a bit slower because it was a bump on the junction. But do you know what? Lucky, because this is like the hottest day of the year ever.
Yeah.
It's the hottest day ever recorded in any history on any country right now. What does it say? 34 degrees. This is what it says on the car.
Oh wow. Every country?
Yeah, like
Surely there's countries that have gone like into the 40s.
Africa's never seen temperatures this hot before. There's people emigrating to Dubai to cool down right now. Check that. What was that? We've got priority.
Do we?
Yeah. Go now. Look right. Go now. So when we're approaching a roundabout, which way do you look?
Left.
Okay.
Spent too much time in Spain, haven't you?
Spain was so fun to drive in. But on an English road, we look to the right because that's where the traffic's coming from. Which is why they both stop for you because you're on their right. And because you're not going, they just went because there's no one to give way to. Have we not done roundabouts? We've done roundabouts extensively across 2 driving lessons. Yes.
Yeah.
On this one, we're going to go second exit. Oh, it's on the left.
Second exit.
But it's the second exit, yeah. So can we signal from here?
No,
Okay,
because we're essentially going straight.
cool. So let's think about approaching this roundabout nice and slow so that if we have to stop, we can do that smoothly.
We'll go into fast gear.
Cool. And ideally, we'd be positioned over here so that we can enter and emerge onto the roundabout into the left lane the best way possible.
Yes.
Look right. When's the gap? So if there's a car in the right lane, then we can go. Yes. Nice. And we're taking the second exit. And there's our McDonald's. That is our destination. Destination.
Oh,
Here we go. Signal left, and we're off. And then we'll take the next left into the car park. Between the 2 black cars, slide into one of them. Last danger. Give it a bit more left. Boom. How much left is that?
That's a good 80%.
Okay.
Maybe even 85.
The amount I'm wet though, is that not? Does that deserve McDonald's now? So here's how wet we are.
Oh.
Janis's shorts. He's covering up the wet
Oh, yeah.
patch.
It's not too visible.
Not too bad. My
Although,
shorts.
this is...
Oh, you got really wet over there.
Yeah.
Got it. And the actual puddle, look. That's extremely wet. Being smooth takes practice.
Yes.
And how smooth you were before, jabbing the brakes, thinking about stopping when you brake instead of slowing down when you brake, all of that was much better. Not perfect for sure, that's why we're soaking wet, but much better. We can take that forwards. Those skills can keep coming and keep developing. We won't keep doing water on every driving lesson, but I think perhaps that might have, like, that's smooth enough. Before, wasn't smooth enough. So win. Should we take? Can we take that win? Take the win. Janis is also doing proper driving lessons, normal driving lessons, not stupid driving lessons. If you want to see the proper driving lessons where I taught Janis from the beginning, then it's on the other channel, Driving School TV Lessons. Click here because it's here, and you can subscribe to the channel here. On Janis is the button. Press that. See the next one. Peace. Thanks. Bye.